Congratulations! The world has officially entered its most modern era, yet has chosen to operate by the primitive law of the jungle, with not the slightest trace of humanity left in sight. We now live in an age where we no longer seek to find faults in evil. Instead, we become obsessed with scanning and dissecting the smallest abnormalities in the good. The mechanisms and global apparatus that have evolved over time are no longer designed to regulate international conduct based on norms acceptable to the world. They have become instruments of selective justice and blatant hypocrisy. Today, one power holds over 90 nuclear warheads without any formal declaration, a nation with a documented history of violating international norms and committing genocide against innocent children. And yet, that same power claims it faces an existential threat from a country that has, by all accounts, maintained a far better and more responsible track record. This dangerous paradox demands one immediate response: the complete and urgent restructuring of international bodies from scratch. No nation, none, should be given the unchecked and undemocratic right of veto. What the world needs is a unified, truly democratic force based on equal participation of all countries to implement collective decisions and uphold global justice. All other organizations, including military alliances such as NATO, must be banned. These blocs no longer serve peace, they serve power. They divide the world, escalate tensions, and perpetuate wars under a false pretense of security. It is time to erase this global imbalance. It is time to build a new world order, one based not on weapons, vetoes, and coercion, but on justice, equality, and the will of humanity. The era of manipulation must end, and so must the world's silence.